barely gonna squeeze through there. Oh, we're dialed. Got the 125 in the back. Helmet looks fresh. Driveway's got some water. Sheesh. Had another load of mulch delivered. Started digging into it. Yeah, I kind of made a mess. This corner is really fun to hit. Sick mulch corner. Look at this mess of a corner. I started putting some more mulch down to kind of keep it dry. I can definitely get this outside line, but look at that. It's just deep. This is one of the sickest lines right here. So that's like the double tabletop. Come right into this turn. It was muddy. So this line is just gnarly. You bomb through it, follow it, and then rip it through the mulch there, and then you just wide open through the rollers. I'm still kind of timid because my collarbone. Here's the pitter track. Got a 180 here. Here's a little whoop section. This one's really fun to hit. You can just seat bounce it right over that. Got the pitter in here. Got rowdy during the grad party. Got a little bit of tiger marks. I'll show you guys. I'll roll that clip. We're out.
I think I blew that corner out.
You don't say. What'd you take, the outside?
No, this middle.
Oh, the middle one?
Oh, that's funny.
This motherfucker blew out that corner too.